Running a Facebook video ad on your Instagram profile. Hello there, everyone. We've just set up an advertising campaign to promote a Facebook post from your business page on your Instagram account. And as you could see, it is an easy method to generate more engagement from existing content. This time around, we are going to show you how to set up a video ad campaign to promote a Facebook video through your Instagram profile. Getting started. Let's start right on the Ads Manager page. Just like in the previous lesson, you can directly access this page by visiting the facebook.com/adsmanager/URL while logged into your Facebook account. On this page, click on the Create Ad button to go to the campaign creation page. Creating the video ad campaign. To create a video ad campaign, you have to select video views as your marketing objective. Now enter the name to save your new campaign into the campaign name field. Then click on the Set up Ad Account button to quickly select your ad account settings. Lastly, click on Continue to start configuring the campaign. Setting up your campaign. Now it is time to set up the ad campaign. Start by entering the name to save this ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Next, move to the Audience section to define your target audience. First, select your target locations. Next, select your target age, then your target gender if it applies. Now click on the edit icon corresponding to Detailed Targeting to select your detailed targeting criteria by entering your keywords into the Detailed Targeting field and selecting items from the results. Now click on Show More Options. Then click on the edit icon corresponding to languages to select your target languages. Now move to the Placement section. Select Manual Placements, then deselect all platforms except Instagram. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Select Daily Budget as your budget type, then enter your daily budget amount into the Amount field. Now select your schedule. For this example, we will select to run my ad set continuously starting today. Once you are done configuring your campaign at this point, click on Continue. Setting up the video ad. Now it is time to create your video ad. Start by entering the name of this new ad into the Ad Name field. Now move to the Identity section. Click on the Facebook page menu button and select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram account. Now scroll down to the Media section and click on the Add Video button to upload the video that you're going to promote on Instagram. Next, click on the Upload button to locate your video. Double-click on it and wait for it to upload. The recommended length for videos that you want to promote on Instagram is 15 seconds or less. Longer videos can't be promoted on the Instagram timeline. You can move to the Text section after uploading your video. Here you are going to add copy to your video ad. First, enter your copy into the text field. Next, check the Add a Website URL option and enter your landing page URL into the Website URL field. You can click on the Call to Action menu button to select a different Call to Action button. In this case, we'll use the default Learn More CTA button. Now that your video ad for Instagram is ready, go to the Preview section on the right to see how it is going to look on different Instagram placements. Finally, after setting up and previewing your ad, click on the Confirm button to submit and launch your Facebook video ad campaign on Instagram.